I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video, I'll discuss how to solve an equation which involves absolute function. The question here is, solve 4 minus absolute x equals to square root of x squared plus 4. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, whenever you have absolute function, it's better to define the function and then proceed. Absolute x basically is a piecewise function. It could be written as x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus of x if x is less than 0. It means that all the equations which involve absolute function should be done in these two different domains. Now, let me split it as a piecewise function and then solve. Now, this is the method to solve actually. So what you do here is that you look into two different pieces. One, when x is less than 0. The other one, when x is greater than or equal to 0. Now, if x is less than 0, absolute x is minus x. So we'll replace the equation by this. 4 minus, instead of absolute x, we are going to write minus x equal to square root of x squared plus 4. The second piece here is when x is greater than or equal to 0. At that time, absolute x is x. So we could write this equation as 4 minus x equal to square root of x squared plus 4. You get an idea. So whenever you have absolute function, try to write it as a piecewise function and then solve both the pieces separately. Correct? Now let's solve them. X less than 0, 4 minus x could be written as 4 plus x equal to square root of x squared plus 4. We can square both sides, so we get 4 plus x whole square equals to x squared plus 4. So we have squared both the sides. Let me expand this. 4 squared is 16, okay, 16 plus 2ab, which is 8x plus x squared equal to x squared plus 4. Now we can bring x terms to one side, so we get 8x plus x squared minus x squared equals to 4 minus 16. So that is 8x equal to minus 12, or x is equals to minus 12 divided by 8. And that gives you, we could simplify this dividing both by 4. So we get minus 3 over 2, right? As one of the answers. Now minus 3 over 2 is less than 0, so that is a valid answer. So at this stage you have to check. So yes, it is valid since it is less than 0. Now let's do the right side. We'll follow the same method. So we have 4 minus x. We'll square both sides. We get x squared plus 4. Let's expand this. So we get 4 squared, which is 16, minus 2ab, which is 8x, plus x squared, which is x squared plus 4. Bringing terms together, minus 8x plus x squared minus x squared equals to 4 minus 16, minus 8x equals to minus 12, x equals to minus 12 over minus 8, which is plus 3 over 2, correct? And this 3 over 2 is greater than x greater than 0, and therefore we have two valid answers, right? At times we may not get valid answers, so we can now write down the answer, which is x equals to plus minus 3 over 2. Now that's the way to solve absolute function equations. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope you appreciate it. You can always write your comments. Feel free to share my videos, and if you like, I'll appreciate your putting some likes. Thank you, and all the best.